say is wow.
Here are some quick clips of this amazing car show in Satellite Beach.
You'll relive your youth reminiscing the days gone by and all your good times. The cars are all judged by their appearance, so they're all looking their best. As a fun contest, find a clue where God loves you in this video and write that you found it on the comments.
But don't give the secret away for everybody else.
Helena Caillou, come on, let's have some fun.
Come on, what are you waiting for?
Today we're at a car show in Satellite Beach. It was a beautiful day to take a ride on the Mustang convertible with the top down. We saw this car show from the road. It looked like a fun detour. Beep beep. All of these show-quality automobiles filled up the whole parking lot in the shopping center. It was like a giant seafood buffet for cars.
Oh, now you made me hungry.
Uh-oh, Mila looks like she's shopping. These are all a very high price tag. One nice thing, to our surprise, this was totally free to get in, no admission charge at all.
This is a great father and son bonding time.
Notice the kids are having so much fun they don't have their phones out. I don't know, but if the motor don't fit in the hood, it might be too much motor for the car. Wow, Mustang Shelby Cobra Jets. Our Mustang is a 2004 40th anniversary model. I need to get a new paint job because it's going to be a classic next year. about you, but this one has my pick for the sharpest car here. Tell us which one you like the best on the comments below. Well, a guy can dream, can't he?
Yeah, right. Thanks so much. You'll love this next video.
We post every week, so subscribe and hit the notify button too. Then you'll never miss a single episode. Please also show us you care by liking us and leaving a comment. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe.
Do it now. We'll wait.
Oh, thank you for subscribing.